Guys, this is Glennie and you're watching my channel on the cards, and today I thought it would be cool to open this whole box of Traders, the retail box that I've had sitting around for a while to celebrate Origin, and Origin being played in Perth as well, where I'm living. So let's get into it. Yeah, I've had this box sitting around for a while, and yeah, I just want to open it. So these are a bit cheaper than the titaniums, but you don't get any of the gold cards or like the team fan phase in that. You can still get like signatures and retirements. So we'll see if we can pull anything cool out of here. Plus, you get all the cool inserts anyway. Alright, let's get into it. Thought it'd be a good way to celebrate Origin. Origin 2, eh? Can Queensland come back, or will New South Wales take out the series? Who are you going for? I'm a Blues supporter because I'm from New South Wales originally. But I love watching the game. It's just awesome. Brutal. Alright, so we've got Storm Checklist, Lindsay Collins, Jaden Campbell. We've got Showcase Caricature of Nicho Hynes to start off our inserts. And we have Connor Watson in the silver parallel. We've got the Cowboys checklist. We've got Jackson Ford, Joe Offengowie, and Nicho Hynes. All right. Alex Johnston, Luciano Leilua. We've got Manly Sea Eagles checklist. Leilani Montgomery in the Rising Stars. We've got Jacob Preston in the silver parallel. We've got Jermaine Asako, Matt Burton, Newcastle Knights checklist, and Ethan Strange for the Raiders. I really hope there's something cool in it. Trent Loiero, Adam Dewey, Payne Haas, Dom Young, and we've got Blake Laurie in the fan faves, which I think I need, so that's good. We've got Bryce Cartwright in the silver parallel, Murray Talangi, Bryce Cartwright's base card, Tamari Martin, the Warriors. Aren't the Warriors doing good this year? All right. Bunnies checklist. Dave Fafita, Jaden Sewer, and we have Sean Johnson providing the match winner in his final NRL game, round 26 of last year. Nice one. Dylan Edwards. Panthers, Reed Marnie, Nikora, Reece Robson. So what do you think of Cherry Evans getting dropped from Origin? Was it time? Will Tommy Dearden step up? Khan Pereira, Jacob Little, Totola, Rebecca Pollard, in this season to remember. I think I need this one, so that's good. Pollard scores a double as her side secures their first win. Round 8 of last year. The NRLW kicks off soon too, with a Magic round, I believe. Xavier Savage in the silver parallel. Liam Martin, Dane Gagai, Ronaldo Mulatalo, and Ruben Cotter. Tommy Turbo, Selwyn Cobbo, Connor Watson, Oren Keeley in the Rising Stars. Oh, and there's Tommy Dearden there in the silver parallel. The Dolphins checklist, Joseph Tarpany, Viliami Kikau, Harris. Okay. Keep going. What is that on the card? Good. Anyway. Titans. Jack DeBellin. Tommy Tellau. Latrell Mitchell. Lindsay Collins in the silver parallel. Leo Thompson. We've got the checklist for the Eels. Leota. Hammer. So we've seen a lot of people playing in the Origin. Angus Crichton. We've got Broncos. Harry Grant. Lockie Galvin. And we've got Cam Murray in the Showcase Caricatures. We've got the Doggies silver parallel checklist. Xavier Savage. Jacob Kiraz, Cameron McInnes. Adam Reynolds. Kaloa Matangi. There's DCE there. Justin Olam. Jason Taumalolo in this silver parallel. KO Weeks, Jeremy Marshall King, Kalen Ponga, and Nathan Cleary. So, wasn't a very nice packet, just a silver parallel in it. Tyrell Sloan, Keanu Kinney. We've got the Roosters checklist, and we've got Skylar Adams in the Rising Stars. We have Maker Sivo in the silver parallel. Warriors, Dylan Brown, Kai Pearce-Paul, and Isaiah Yeo. Captain for the Blues. Adam Reynolds again. Kaloa Matangi, DCE. Saliva Havili in the fan faves. I think I might need that one too, so that's good. Isaiah Yeo. Lukey. Stephen Crichton. Another Blues. Sharks and KO Weeks. Right. Elisa Katoa, Patrick Carrigan, West Tigers, Ruben Garrick, Dan Keir in the Rising Stars, Patrick Carrigan in the Silver Parallel, Bradman Best, Tomoko, and Maker Sivo. Fodawaker, another Origin player, Cody Walker, Xavier Coates. And we've got Bailey Haywood in the Club Heroes Rookie of the Year for the Bulldogs. Nice. I think I need that one too. We've got the Warriors checklist in the Silver Parallel. We've got Isaiah Katoa, RTS, Dylan Edwards, the New South Wales fullback, Scotty Drinkwater. Justin Olam, Storm, Lindsay Collins, Madison Bartlett in the Season to Remember, Ezra Mam in the Silver Parallel, Jeremy Marshall-King, Kalen Ponga, Nathan Cleary, Cowboys checklist. Jack DeBellin, Tommy Talau, Latrell Mitchell, Angus Crichton, Hannah Southwell in the NRLW, Dolphins checklist in the Silver Parallel, Hammer, Xavier Savage and Jacob Kiraz. Okay. Dragons checklist, Api Coruscant, James Tedesco, Luke Brooks, AJ Brimson in the Silver Parallel, Max King, Greg Marzu, Will Kennedy, Herbie Farnworth. Jaden Campbell, Alex Johnson, Luciano Leilua, Seagulls, Farlongo in the Rising Stars for the Storm. We've got Harris in the Silver Parallel, Jackson Ford, Joe Offengawi, Nico Hines. Oh, didn't think that was going to open. Katoni Staggs, Jai Arrow, Cameron Munster, another Maroons player, Casey McLean in the Rising Stars for the Panthers, Jerome Hughes in the Silver Parallel, Chance Nickel Clockstad, Scotty Storenston, Hopgood, Morgan Smithies. Okay. Trent Loiero, Adam Dewey, Payne Haas, Holly Mae Dodd in the NRLW, Dave Fifita in the Silver Parallel, Jermaine Asako, Matt Burton, Knights, Ethan Strange. Tyrell Sloan, Keanu Kinney, Roosters checklist, Ethan King in the Rising Stars for the Roosters, Hudson Young, Silver Parallel, Isaiah Yeo, Lukey, Stephen Crichton, Sharkies checklist. So if you're enjoying my video, hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Fainu, AJ Brimson, we've got Blake Laurie, and we've got Ryan Pappenhausen in the Fan Faves. We've got Kyle Flanagan, the Silver Parallel, Blake Brayley, Connor Tracy, Max Plath and Dylan Lucas. Dom Young, Bunny's Checklist, Dave Fafita. We've got Jaden Sewer, and we've got Fletcher Sharp in the Club Heroes, Rookie of the Year. He's been playing good footy, that guy. Cam Munster, Silver Parallel, Murray Talangi, Bryce Cartwright, Tamari Martin. Bit of a damaged card. Okay. Katoa, Pat Carrigan, West Tigers, Hopper Whitey and the Rising Stars, Tyrell Sloan in the Silver Parallel, Panthers Checklist, Reed Marnie, Nakora, Reece Robson. Kohler, Ezra Mam, Victor Radley, and Zaylee Faye in the Season to Remember. Faye soars to score the 2024 NRLW Try of the Year against the Roosters. Kalen Ponga, Maroons fullback, Silver Parallel. Tommy Dearden, Brian Toto, Mitchell Barnett, Jamal Fogarty. 3 Origin players in a row there. Okay. Nick Meaney, Jack Whiten, Charlie Staines, Raymond Fatala Mariner, Grace Kemp in the Rising Stars for the Raiders, Brighton Nakora, Silver Parallel, Sean Lane, Jacob Preston, Jack Bostock. Can we get something above box? It's not looking too good at the moment. Selwyn Cobbo, Connor Watson, Titans, Sione Finau in the Rising Stars for the Dragons. I'd like to see him get more of an opportunity on the wing for the Dragons. DCE in the Silver Parallel. Harris, Leo Thompson, Eels, Moses Leota. How many packs have I got left? Still 10 packs. Still time to get something nice. We've got Jerome Hughes, Jareem Buller. We've got Khan Pereira. We've got Kennedy Sherrington, in the fan faves for the Eels. We've got Ronaldo Mulatalo in the Silver Parallel. Mitchell Moses, Liam Martin, Dane Gagai, and Ronaldo Mulatalo. Haven't got any converters yet, so Jacob Little, Totola, Tommy Turbo, Jerome Hughes in the Season to Remember, finishing the season strong with a hat-trick, round 27. Lockie Galvin in the Silver Parallel, playing for the Bulldogs now. Ruben Cotter. Dolphins. Tarpany. Viliami Kikau. Bronx checklist. Harry Grant. Lockie Galvin again. Taylor Preston in the converters. 61%, 44 points. Hoping I don't have that yet. Alex Johnston, silver parallel. Cam McInnes. Warriors checklist. Dylan Brown and Kai Pearce-Paul. All right. Ruben Garrick. Fodawaker. We've got Cody Walker. We've got AJ Brimson in the fan faves for the Titans. Got the Knights checklist in the silver parallel. Bradman Best. Tomoko. Sivo. Katoa. Tino. Reece Walsh. Spencer Linu. Isabel Kelly in the NRLW. Alex Seyfarth in the silver parallel. Jason Taumalolo. Jesse Ramian. Phoenix Crosland. Dallin Watani Zalesniak. A few more packets. Xavier Coates. Dragons checklist. Api Coruscant. Isaac Tango. Targo scores a late try in an impressive comeback victory for the Panthers. Round 23 last year. Blake Brayley in the silver parallel. RTS. Dylan Edwards. Scotty Drinkwater and Max King. Right. 4 more packets. Ola Kawatu. Looks like we've got another converters coming up. Alex Seyfarth. Cam Munster. Ryan Papenhausen. Who is it? It's Jermaine Asako. Converters. 80%. 223 points last year. Nice. Jake Trbojevic, silver parallel. Hudson Young, Will Penasini, Isaac Tungo. Right, 3 more packets. Hopefully there's a surprise in here. Sam Walker. Jake Trbojevic. Mariner. Lily Peacock in the Rising Stars. Bradman Best in the silver parallel. Thomas Hazelton. Jeremiah Nanai. Maroons player. Wade Egan. Raiders checklist. Come on, 2 more packets. Jojo Fafita, Kyle Flanagan, Sam Walker, Graham Taufa in the Rising Stars, Max Plath in the Silver Parallel, Kafusi, Bulldogs, Hazelton and Jeremiah Nanai again. Last packet. Can there be last packet luck? Let's give it a rub. Jake Trbojevic, Mariner, Jerome Hughes, Dream Buller, Yasmin Clydesdale in the fan faves, Cody Walker in the silver parallel, Wade Egan. Raiders, Mitchell Moses, Blues halfback. Yeah, so no big hits out of that one, but I'll run through what I picked up. We can't win every time. So we, out of a box, you get 36 silver parallels. Love the silver parallels. You get 12 rising stars. You get 6 fan faves. Also, 6 season to remembers. You get 3 NRLWs. 2 club heroes. And 2 converters. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the Origin on Wednesday. Bye for now. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.